Good morning student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic of multiplication. First one we learn concept of multiplication. We revised here concept of multiplication. Concept of multiplication. Okay. See here. One, two, three, four, five, six. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In one group, how many dots here? First one say me how many groups? 1 and 2. How many groups are there? 2 groups of dots. 2 groups of dots. How many dots in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots in each group. In each group. How many dots in all? You want here how many dots in all. That time what you do? First one, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Yeah. 2 groups are there. 2 groups, how many one have? 10. Sorry, 6. 6 to the 12. How many dots in all? 12 dots in all. How many dots in all? 12 dots in all. Understand what is the concept of there? Another one example. How many branches are there? How many branches? 3 branches. 1, 2, 3. 3 branches. How many one have leaves? One branch have leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves on each branch. Each branch. How many leaves? In all. How many leaves? In all. Okay. Now see here. 4 plus 4 plus 4. That time you write 12. But how many branches are there? 3. One branch how many is there? 4. 4 3s are 12. If you ahead the table, that time you write this one answer. Okay. Now first one we learn here how to the make a table. How to the make a table. Okay. You want here 2 table. Okay. 2 table. That time what you do? Skip and count by 2's. Count by 2's. See here, this one line you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now skip and counting. First one 0 to 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Skip there 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 and 2. Okay. Now you got here two tables. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Understand? All of you understand how to got your table? Now see here, we write here 2 to 5 table. We write here 2 to 5 table. Write here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Same as it is 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Understand? All of you understand now? You also beheaded the table. 5 also you write. Now see the question. Find the product. Find the product. First one, see, 6 multiplied by 3. Now also you know the 3 table. 3 6 are how much? 18. If you behead the table, that time you write correctly. 5 5s are 25. 8 3s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Understand how to write? Okay. Next, we learn here money topic. Money topic. Now, see. When we go to the shopping, we pay the money and for the goods and we buy there. Okay, when you go to the shop, any one thing you purchase there, that time what you do, you give the money and then you buy that one things. Okay, all of you know, all of you see 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees note and coins. Okay, now I am a fruit seller. Okay, and you buy the apple. You buy the apple cost is there rupees 10, but you have how many coins? Rupees 1 coin 1, rupees 5 rupees 1 coin, rupees 2 rupees 1 coin, and rupees 10 rupees 1 coin. That time which coin you give to the shopkeeper? Which coin? 10 rupees coin, na, because of cost of apple is there 10, so give there 10 rupees coin, and you have the remaining 2 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin, and 5 rupees coin. Understand? Okay. When you go to the bakery and you purchase there muffin ya cake, okay, for rupees 50, you have rupees 10 one note, rupees 20 it's one note, and rupees 50 is one note. That time which note you give to the shopkeeper? Rupees 50 rupees, because of one cake rupees is there 50, so 50 rupees. Okay, all of you understand? Now see here in your textbook, this is 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, sorry, note, 1 rupees note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees note is there, 10 rupees note is here, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay, now also see 50 paisas coin, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. Okay, now join this. Where is a 50 paise? Right there, here, join there. 1 rupees, join there. 2, same as it is. 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Here 1 rupees where? Here, rupees. Join there. 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay, now see, money is addition. Money is addition. You want to purchase one pencil. One pencil for rupees 7. Okay, that time which coin you give to the shopkeeper? Only 2 coins you want to give there, only 2 coins. Okay, which 2 coins or which 2 notes give to the shopkeeper? 7 rupees. That time rupees 5 1 coin and rupees 2's 1 coin give to the shopkeeper. Understand? Okay, next one, this is your sketch pen box. Okay, this is your sketch pen box for rupees 30. That time which notes you give you? Rupees 20 plus rupees 10 notes give to the shopkeeper. You have a mug, you want to purchase that one. That one rupees 70. That time which notes give? Rupees 50 plus rupees 20s note. Give to the shopkeeper. Give to the shopkeeper. Understand? Now match the following. Rupees 5. This one rupees 10. This one rupees 15. And this one rupees of 25. Now here I draw the notes. We draw here now. See here, rupees 10 rupees one note, 5 rupees one coin, 15 rupees. Where is 15 rupees? You want here grapes. You purchase here grape. You have 20 rupees note and 5 rupees coin. You purchase here mango. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees. You purchase here apple. 2 rupees plus 1 rupees, 3 rupees. 3 rupees plus 1 rupees, 4 rupees. 4 rupees plus 1 rupees, 5 rupees. That time you purchase the banana. Understand? Okay. Now today's your homework. 2 to 10 table write 2 times and beheaded there. 2 to 10 table write and beheaded there. And any one shop you visit there, only one you don't take help to the parents and take a 5 rupees and any one thing you purchase by the 5 rupees, and which coin you give there, that one you write there. Okay, show their picture and which coin या which notes give to the shopkeeper. You draw their note and coin, this type note and coin. Okay, this is your today's activity. And 2 to 10 tables compulsory beheaded. Okay, when the school start, we ask you 2 to 10 tables beheaded and write 2 times regularly. Thank you.